Hello and welcome to the Thorogood Associates video on Microsoft Power BI Mobile. My name is Mark Gretenstein and I'm a business intelligence and analytics consultant for Thorogood Associates. Thorogood is a Microsoft certified gold partner and we are also a member of the Power BI Red Carpet program. Power BI is a rapidly developing business analytics service from Microsoft and is available through three main platforms: desktop, online, and the mobile app. The Power BI app is compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows, allowing you to take Power BI on the go with whichever mobile device you already use. In this video, I will try and highlight a few key capabilities of the Power BI mobile experience. First, I'll talk about the ease of use and compatibility of Power BI on mobile devices. Next, I'll talk about the collaboration and sharing capabilities. And lastly, I'll cover the enhanced mobile experience functionality, both online and offline. I will now switch over to mirror my iPad screen, so everything you see in this demo is exactly how it looks on a mobile screen. Accessing Power BI from a mobile app is incredibly easy. Power BI uses single sign-on authentication, so when I click on the app on my mobile device, I enter the same username and password that I would use on my computer and immediately have access to all of my saved dashboards and reports. Once I sign in, the dashboard looks just like the one you are seeing on the screen. There's no need to resize or format the dashboard tiles. It all happens automatically. For this demo, I'm going to act as a sales analyst for a company trying to look at the sales of our three main product categories across different regions in the country. I need easy access to high-level information. I want to be able to share it and collaborate with the appropriate people, and I need it to be easily updated. Let's have a look at the sales dashboard. This dashboard has a lot of information, including sales by region and category, profit by state, a couple KPIs, and a waterfall chart of profit across my subcategories. I can go right in and save individual tiles as favorites for easy access later by using the star icon on the top right corner of my dashboard. I'll save the map and waterfall chart for now. I know they are saved as favorites since I can see the stars visible on the top left corner of the tiles. These tiles will now be saved at the home page of my Power BI app. I can also click on any of my tiles, such as the donut chart at the center of my dashboard, and see additional pieces of information, such as the total sales amount or percentage of sales from each of my categories. I really like this dashboard, so I can invite my colleagues to see it as well. I can add collaborators to the dashboard as a whole just using someone's email address by clicking on the person icon with the plus sign in the top right corner of my dashboard. I also have the ability to go in and share any of the tiles. California had a great year last year, so I'll add a note for them, save the image, and email it ahead to my colleagues in California before I meet with them. What we're looking at here is a dashboard, but each of these tiles comes from an underlying report which I can navigate to from the dashboard as well. I will open the bar chart and select Open Report in order to view the report which lies behind the dashboard I've interacted with thus far. When accessing reports on Power BI Mobile, all of the existing functionality from desktop still applies. I can filter the data using the region bar charts just to see the data from the West Coast. I can also filter by category in my donut chart. Also notice at the bottom how I still have access to all of my different dashboards and reports on mobile, not just ones that I selected as favorites or specifically push to mobile. I'll flip over to the sales report so I can see my profit and sales at a subcategory level in California. I really like this tree chart and the table on this report, and I'd like to have them added to my dashboard. If I'm out of the office, I can call back to one of my colleagues and ask them to add these visualizations to the main dashboard. The next time I go to the dashboard and click any part of it, I can refresh my dashboard by swiping down and the visualizations have been added. The automatic updates apply to data as well. I don't have to worry at the end of the month or end of the quarter about manually refreshing the dashboards or reports to access up-to-date data. It is always there automatically. This was part of Microsoft's latest release in December and January. Another part of that release was that cached data will no longer expire. So if I refresh my dashboard in the office or in a coffee shop on the way to a meeting, I'll be able to access and interact with the dashboard even if I don't have internet access. These are examples of how Microsoft is constantly releasing new features and improvements to Power BI on a consistent basis. I hope you found this video interesting and useful and have a better grasp as to how Power BI can be easily used on a mobile device to view dashboards and reports and collaborate with colleagues. Please check out the other Power BI videos we've released as part of this series and reach out with any questions. Thanks.